Hello. First period and fourth period. It's the same class, same stuff. So I am going to give you notes on chapter 2, section 1. 2-1 notes. This is solving one step equations. There will be 4 examples. We're going to use opposites to isolate and combine. Okay? Example 1. Solve x plus 3 equals negative 29. This is an equal sign. This has a left-hand side and a right-hand side. And I have to use the opposite of this 3 on itself. And over here, draw a line. We're isolating, solving for x. These 2 terms go away, and I have x on the left. This is equal to negative 29 minus 3, which is negative 32. X equals negative 32. Okay, the second example is negative 5 plus x equals 13. Draw a little line down here. This has a left-hand side and a right-hand side. Negative 5 is what I have to move from the left to the right. Combine it over here. I'm going to add it, use its opposite, and I'm going to add it, use its opposite. Equations have to remain balanced. And I have x on the left, and 13 plus 5, 18 on the right, and I put a little box around my answer. Done. X equals 18. All right. Example 3. Two x equals 5. This means 2 times x. X is any number, equals 5. This equation has a left, has a right. The first thing I do is divide both sides by 2 because x is being multiplied by 2. I'm going to divide it by 2 so they cancel. Keeping the equation balanced, I've got to divide this side by 2. So x on the left, 5 divided by 2 is 2.5. It's on the right. That's how you do it. Okay, so we did add, subtract. This was multiply, which used divide. The last example is going to be divide. And it looks like this. X, the fourth one here, x divided by -7 equals 12. X divided by negative 7 is on the left, and the right is 12. Multiplying both sides by negative 7 will cancel this negative 7 out, like that. And then on the left, I have x. So that's the one step. Multiply both sides by negative 7. And then 12 times negative 7 is 84 negative. And x equals negative 84 is what I get. So, those are your 2-1 notes, solving one-step equations. You've got to use opposites to isolate and then combine. Make it neat. Have a good day.